Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel on freelance and business. My name is Cheption Mutai. One of the ways to increase your search engine optimization to your blog or website is to add a sitemap. In this video, I'll show you how to add sitemap to your blog or website on WordPress. Stay tuned. Looking for professional video production services? Request a quote on www.techtubestudio.com. Thank you so much for taking time to watch this video on how to add sitemap to your WordPress blog or website. Once you have verified Google on Webmaster Tools for search engine optimization for your website, Google requires that you add a sitemap. This will help Google crawl on your website and improve your search engine optimization. So to add a sitemap on your website or blog, you need to install a sitemap plugin. To do so, on your website dashboard, click on plugins, select add new. On the search bar here, type WP sitemap and then install the WP sitemap page. This, as you can see here, I've already installed the plugin. Once you've installed, activate the plugin. The next step is to go to pages on your dashboard again, then add a new page to your website, then name it sitemap. Once you've done so, go back to the plugins page here, and on the WP sitemap page plugin, copy this code here, WP sitemap page. Go back to the new page that you created named sitemap, edit the page, and on the body of that page, paste the code, then update. Once you have done so, your website, your WordPress site will create a page with an extension of sitemap. For instance, on my WordPress site here, it will take me to this page here. As you can see, this is how the sitemap page will look like. That is how to add sitemap to your blog or website on WordPress. If you found this video helpful, thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Don't forget to leave a comment below this video and let me know what you think. Until next time, bye bye and take care. Looking for professional video production services? Request a quote on www.techtubestudio.com.